Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to switch languages on Duolingo. So let's get started. Launch the Duolingo app on your mobile device. Tap on the plug icon located in the top left corner. Click on Course. Browse through the list of available languages and select the one you want to learn next. Tap on the chosen language to start learning it. Duolingo will guide you through the initial lessons. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.